100% happy. I mean,
It's so much more than we expected in the first place. So it's not something that you could even armchair quarterback at all. It's unbelievable, and we to this day continue. I mean, to find things, see cool new things, all kinds of stuff. So no, I would say absolutely nothing different.
Everything started out quickly, the actual pool itself, but then the detail part of it, very labor intensive, and respect and appreciate every bit of that, because that part slowed down a little bit just because it was like, okay, today they're doing this rock or they're doing this wall section or something like that, and that to me was just amazing because it truly is art. I mean, it's not typical as Paul compared it to. It's like building a house where you get it framed in, and that part goes really quick, but then once it's framed in and you get the siding on the outside, it's like it's all the little stuff on the inside that really makes your house a home, but it's the part that takes the longest, and it seems like the progress is the slowest, but for a good reason. Worth every second.
So what's something that you hear when people walk into your backyard? What are some of their first impressions, your guess?
Holy shit. Oh my God. Really?
Yeah. Nice resort.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that guy.
The bug guy said he left a note on the invoice that said "nice resort" on the bottom. I'm like, whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's funny. Yeah. No. Just very extreme reactions, for sure.
Right, and I'm sure. I mean, we haven't even had a real party yet. I mean, not the pool guy party, of course, was a real party, but like with all of our friends or relatives, or so we've done like little informal gatherings, but I would say it hasn't made its debut yet, even with all of our family and friends. I mean, by far, just because it's late in the season. So
and we still need to do some stuff ourselves with chairs and stuff like that we want to do to
have spots to sit.
Yep.
Yeah. So next year will be good. Next spring.
Good pool year.
We want to open it like in March, April, like get early on the list.
If you're looking for anything unique, don't look anywhere else, because there is not anyone that can do what he does. That I truly believe that, and Al does extremely unique work. It's awesome.
Totally agree, 100%. And trust them. That's the other thing. Trust the whole process. Just embrace it from the beginning and let the creativity flow, because we did that, and we're. I would say he over-delivered, definitely.
And I wouldn't want to have stepped into that process at all, because beside the fact that neither of us are creative at all, but on top of that, I think he has a certain direction that he has in his head from day one, and if the homeowner type steps in the middle of that at any one point, it could vary the project.